Question 6 gives us a crate and tells us it's a mass 30 kilograms. So our weight is going to be 30 g. It's inclined 60 degrees to the horizontal. The coefficient of friction is a third. We're told that a horizontal force P is applied to the crate and it's on the point of moving. Straight away we can say, because it's on the point of moving, then friction is going to be equal to F max in this case. Okay, we're told that it's a rough inclined plane, so we're going to have friction acting down the plane, which is the opposite to motion. Then we're going to have the normal reaction perpendicular to the plane on the crate. So we've now drawn a diagram showing all of the forces, and as we start to go through, then we can resolve the force P, and then we can work out what that force P actually is. So if we put this to the side, and firstly if we resolve P, so if we resolve P up the plane, we're going to have P cosine 60, and then P into the plane is going to be P sine 60. And that's because this angle here is 60 degrees, which is just like having P come out here, with this being 60 degrees. We're told that the crate is on the point of moving, so at the minute we can say all of the forces acting up the plane are equal to the forces acting down the plane. So we're going to have P cosine 60 equals friction, and then plus the 30g sine 60 that acts down the plane. Perpendicular to the plane, we can say that R is P sine 60 plus 30g cosine 60, okay, which acts into the plane. Once we've got these two equations, so far we've got our 2 marks for our diagram and our 2 marks for each of these equations. So what we want to do then is we want to say that because friction is equal to F max, which is equal to mu r, which is then equal to a third of P sine 60 plus 30g cosine 60, then we can take this and we can substitute that into this equation here. Okay, so this equation then tells us that P cosine 60 is equal to the friction, which is now a third upon P sine 60 plus 30g cosine 60, then plus the 30g sine 60, and we can just start to rearrange. So we will have P cosine 60 minus a third P sine 60, then that's equal to 10g cosine 60 plus 30g sine 60. On the left hand side, if we factorize out P, we'll have P upon cosine 60 minus a third sine 60. Okay, and then when we bring that together, that will give us 303.61147. So in order to get P, all we have to do is move that bracket to the right hand side. So P will be 303.61147 divided by 0.211325. That's what the bracket turned out to be. So P will come out as 1,436, which will be 1,440 newtons to 3 significant figures.